And in some more news coming in, Swaraj India founder spoke to Mirana's Alok Singh over the ongoing hunger strike by the farmers. While slamming the centre, Yadav said that the new laws are the repealing of the laws demand is non-negotiable, and added that farmers are here to stay.
Yogendra Yadav is with us. Sir, Swadeshi Jagran Manch. This is RSS affiliated organization. Now they have also supported and they have said that there are flaws in this law, but they said that these laws are good and they will be benefited. They will benefit the farmers. They are saying this, but they say that MSP should be ensured by the government. What will you say? Means that they are supporting you, but they are saying also on the other hand that the law is good for the farmers.
Bharatiya Kisan Sangh and Swadeshi Jagran Manch, they know the truth, but they do not have the courage to speak the truth.
Okay.
Because they are affiliated with RSS, because they get instructions from Nagpur. From day one when the laws came, Bharatiya Kisan Sangh said, no, these are not good laws.
Okay.
They said in the parliament it should go to committee, it should not be passed.
Okay.
When it was passed, they said we are not in favor of these laws.
Yeah.
But when the agitation started, they said, well, when the pressure came from Nagpur, they said, well, we'll think about it, maybe amendments should be done. And after all, every law has something positive about it. These are the vague things they have said so far. I would want them to come clear and say, do they support these laws in the existing form or not?
Okay.
That is what they should be saying.
So you still feel that complete repealing is the final solution of this whole issue?
I think we simply forget the basic logic. This was not meant to be a negotiated settlement. This is not a property dispute. This was meant to be a gift to the farmers. Can the person who is recipient of the gift, can that person not say, no, thank you, I don't need your gift?
Okay.
Can we do we negotiate on that? No, you have to accept my gift. Please take a look at it. Take a third look at it. I will cut it. I will change the package. Is this a reasonable conversation?
Okay.
Farmers are saying, please don't give me this. And if you want to gift me, I'm telling you what I want.
Okay.
I want legal guarantee of remunerative prices.
Okay.
Give me that.
Okay.
Why not?
Okay.
Meanwhile, RSS affiliate Swadeshi Jagran Manch has backed the demand for a legal guarantee for minimum support price. This is the second RSS affiliate body to back this demand after Bharatiya Kisan Sangh. The two bodies, however, have not demanded for a repeal of the laws itself.